Well, welcome. This week is week 4, and we're going to begin working on project 1. There's no additional information for week 4, so let's dive into the lecture. We're going to exploring AI, and we're going to start project 1. So we have, here's just general information on what AI is exactly. Some student guides on how to use AI. Information about AI and how accurate they are, and how to working with Gemini. Links back to Project 1 description and gives you the exact prompt to use, and how to configure Gemini for standard to extended mode to ensure deeper analytical reading. This is an infographic on how to do this. And this, just follow these steps to turn it on and how to do it. The assignment, well, you're going to generate your AI reference list. You're going to save this on as a Word document. You're going to take one source and examine it closely. You're going to look at the citation to make sure it's correct. You're going to analyze the source using your CRAP analysis. And you can have a bullet list like this and just put your information in here. Then you're going to copy this work and format and put it into the discussion forum box. And there's no Driscoll reflection required this week. Okay, you're going to do this again. And then for your student response or your writing center circle response, you're going to provide feedback. Okay, and then the usual policy. Well, that's all I have for week 4. Again, if you have any questions, email, Zoom meeting, or extra credit discussion forum. Bye.